and we got eggs alla puttanesca. And we make tonight eggs alla puttanesca. I know it's a breakfast, but we do for dinner. It's okay, you make eggs, it's a dinner. And we got all the ingredients right over here. I got garlic, oh yeah baby, the hot pepper. I got a rosemary a chop already, nice thin. I got a caper, make sure the caper to wash good, get salt. I got a black olives over here. I got a parsley, this is for my garden. And the rosemary is for my garden too. I got eggs, and I got a pecorino cheese, and we got the beautiful basil. We gotta use it tonight. And I got a nice baguette. For start, I take the garlic, I take my oil baby, and we bring right over here on the stove. We put the gas on, and we start the oil. Tutta quanta. Okay, maybe I need a little bit more oil. I can put. And let's say everybody, it's really cold outside. Salute e cin cin to everybody. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the stuff. A salute. Okay. Now we warm up the oil. And we put the garlic. Okay.
This is easy dinner tonight.
Yep. Quando mamma te l'ha fatta. Oh yeah, baby. We lower the gas a little bit. And now we pick it up for the rest. And I got over here the pepper and the olives. Non c'è bisogno a zingara per addivinare con c'è. Fatta mamma che io saccio meglio te. We lower the gas. We got the black olives. Chine tutte fraule giardine, mele, zucchero e cannella per impastare sta bocca bella. Bisogna zingare per addivinare con c'è, come t'ha fatto mamma che io saccio meglio te. Salute e cin cin, and thank you so much for the stuff. Cin cin, drink a glass of wine with me, it's cold outside. Like this you warm up a little bit. Salute! Thank you so much for the stuff. Thank you. Okay, now we got the rosemary. Oh, it's so smelling good. All right, now it's the time of the sauce. Okay, I got it. Boy, and look how beautiful is my sauce. Okay, it's enough.
Yes, smell delicious already.
Okay, now what I need over here. Okay. Now we put this. All right. Now we leave cook this a little bit. Got the sauce. This is sauce gets cooked already 3 to 4 hours. When I'm making the summertime, this sauce you cook 4 hours. After 4 hours, I put in a jar, seal really good, put in a box, and cover. And the sauce is still cooked. And but 3 to 4 days, still in the jar, it's really, really hot. Not too much. We lower the gas, and I want to use little black pepper.
At least she make one pot pasta and chicken. It was good. Good.
Good, good. Thank you very much. All right, and now we lower the gas a little bit. It get boiled really good.
I will have after when we're done with filming. I don't want to mess up nothing. I cannot drink now.
No, don't drink. Only drink me. I gotta cook.
Broccoli, pasta and broccoli rub. Yeah, they're so good.
Yes, yes, broccoli di rapa. Okay, put that over here. If we put one. Okay. And now we got the cover. I want to cook this now for 3 minutes. Okay, let's see, Bill.
Thank you.
Well,
Yeah, this is like you like.
it's the way I like this. Okay, now we turn the gas off. Oh. You see, I like this, the eggs. You gotta be nice like that. Just like this. And now, I want to cut a little piece of bread. Okay. A little pecorino cheese on the top. Oh, prima amore.
Freddy said roosters don't lay eggs.
No, I don't know why I'm bad. Okay. Now, the eggs. Look how beautiful. Oh, you dip the bread over here. Look at this. Good.
Yeah, it's breakfast for dinner tonight.
Really good. And with a little glass of wine, after we put a little bit of music, and me and my wife, we sit and we eat eggs alla puttanesca, and with a nice glass of wine. Salute e cincin everybody, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for the star. Thank you, and we see next time. I hope maybe everybody enjoy the football on Sunday. Salute e cincin. A salute, and thank you again for the star. Salute.
Yeah, this is Lady of the Night. Yeah, you are right.
Yes.